Okay, so I'm going to do the tear trough. Already cleaned the area. I put some numbing medicine there at the entry side. And then I'm going to go with the cannula. So the cannula is a little, we'll go under, sorry. Okay, then. The cannula is a blunt end tip. There's no needle, there's no sharp at the end. So I'm like feeling it, if you know where we are, trying to advance all the way as much as possible. Okay, that's good. So that tear trough, will fill it so the volume deficit in that area will be less prominent, and it helps a little bit of the discoloration under the eye and a little bit with the lines and wrinkles. The hyaluronic acid fillers, they absorb water as well, so the final results would be kind of immediate a little bit, and then it'll settle like on almost a month as well because of the water absorption. And you can, I'm not sure if you can see, but you can see how the deficit, the tear trough here is less prominent already on this side.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. You're good. You see how it is, like already we brought it up.
Oh, yeah.